Sawadee ka. Welcome back to my channel. This clip I will share you the Isaan food or Isaan cuisine which some DSH make me scare and cannot try. They are originates from the northeastern region of Thailand, which is called Isaan area. Isaan cuisine is characterized by bold flavors, extensive use of herbs and spices, and unique cooking techniques. It has distinct elements that set it apart from the central Thai cuisine, commonly known internationally. Most of Isaan people eat Isaan food with sticky rice. It is a staple in Isaan cuisine and is typically served in small baskets. It is used as a side dish and eaten by hand, forming a ball that can be dipped into various sauces and dishes. Okay, first is famous menu Larb. Larb is a minced meat salad made with ground meat, often chicken, pork, or beef, mixed with lime juice, fish sauce, toasted rice powder, and herbs. It can be quite spicy and is often served with fresh vegetables. Second is Nam Tok. Nam Tok almost same like Larb, but the meat is usually sliced rather than minced. Can be made with various meats such as beef, pork, or even chicken. It's common to use grilled or boiled meat. The sliced meat is mixed with lime juice, fish sauce, toasted rice powder, chopped herbs, and chilies. The mixture absorbs the flavors and creates a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. Next is Issan Sausage. This one is delicious. I like so much. Is a popular Thai sausage originating from the northeastern region of Thailand known as Isaan. These sausages are distinct for their unique flavors, ingredients, and preparation methods. The primary meat used in Isaan sausage is pork. It's often ground or minced to create a coarse texture. You can grill or fry the sausage. Rice is a staple in Isaan cuisine, is a key ingredient. It is soaked, partially cooked, and mixed into the sausage mixture, contributing to the texture and flavor. The ground pork is mixed with soaked sticky rice, minced garlic, cilantro roots, shallots. Isaan sausages are commonly served as a snack or appetizer. They are often enjoyed with fresh vegetables. Fourth is Crying Tiger. Interested name. I also love this dish. The dish typically consists of grilled or pan-seared meat, often beef or pork, served with a spicy dipping sauce. The name Crying Tiger is believed to originate from the idea that the spicy sauce is so hot it makes the tiger cry. The dish is known for its combination of smoky, grilled meat and the fiery heat of the dipping sauce, creating a flavorful and memorable experience. Fifth is Goi. Goi is a sliced meat salad made from raw beef meat. The cooking is same as Larb mixed with lime juice, fish sauce, toasted rice powder, and herbs. It can be quite spicy and is often served with fresh vegetables. Next is Soi Ju. Soi Ju involves cutting raw beef and beef offal into bite-sized pieces without having to go through the process of cooking or seasoning, and is popularly eaten with bitter jaw dipping sauce with crisp fresh vegetables. The dipping sauce of Soi Ju will have bitter taste. Last is Sok Lek. Sok Lek comes from the word sok meaning wet, lek means small. When put together, Sok Lek therefore means a small piece of meat drenched in blood. Sok Lek involves cutting raw beef and beef offal into bite-sized pieces without having to go through the process of cooking, but add blood and mixed with lime juice, fish sauce, toasted rice powder, and herbs. Until next time. Khop Kun Ka, thank you, and brave eating!